How to get up to 10% discount on Fiverr. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to claim a flat 10% discount on your next Fiverr order. Some parts of this tutorial are very important, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end and don't skip anything. Otherwise, you might miss the offer. So let's get started. In the description below, you will find a link to the Fiverr homepage. Once you're here, here's the most important step before you even search for any service. You need to create a brand new account. Make sure that you sign up using a new email address that has never been used on Fiverr before. This special discount is only available for new users. So if you have an old account, the offer might not work. That's why creating a fresh account is the first key step. Once your account is ready, you can browse through thousands of services, choose the one you need, and place your order. Now, creating an account is actually very simple. You can just come here and click on join, and you can use any of these socials to actually log in. The flat 10% discount should be applied to your purchase as soon as you create the account, helping you save money instantaneously. And that's it. Super simple and easy. If you found this offer to be helpful, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more awesome deals like this in the future, so please take care.